Hi, want to know how to set up your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, this is the first thing that you're going to see when you turn on your phone. Here we got two options, which is language. Currently it's English, but if we will click on this tab here, we would be able to choose another language. And here we also got accessibility menu. And to get started, we would need to click on this button, Get Started. So, as a first thing, we are getting suggested to do a setup using another device, but I would like to set up my phone manually, so I'll click skip. As a next step, you'll get suggested to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and after this you'll see this menu which is saying getting your phone ready. So now we will have to wait a few minutes. As a next step, you are going to get suggested to sign into your Google account, where you can also create it by clicking on this button, but I'll choose skip this step by clicking on this button here, and here choose skip. Then as a next step, we all are also getting suggested to set up eSIM, but we will skip this part also. So I choose skip, and as a next step, we can set a PIN code. This step we can also skip, but I'll set a PIN with 4 ones and click on this button. Now we would need to re-enter our PIN code and click confirm. Here we are also getting suggested to set up fingerprint unlock, which we can do, or which we can click not now and skip this part. The same with the face unlock, we can do it now or do it later. So I'll click not now, and now we will need to choose the Google services that we would like to use on our phone. So for example, here we got location, scanning, and also sending of the usage and diagnostic data. This one I highly recommend to deselect if you like to send the usage diagnostic data to the Google. So here, after you have chosen all of the features that you would like to use from Google, we would need to click on this button accept. Here, as a next step, we are also getting suggested to choose our browser and search engine. So we click next, and as a next step here, you would need to choose your favorite browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, and now we click set as default. Now we would need to also use and choose default search engine. In my case, it will be the same Google, and click set as default. As a next step here, we would need to view our limited warranty, and for that we would need to choose our country. In my case, this is Czechia, and here we would need to read all of this, click close, and then next. As a next step here, you can read some more information about your Google Pixel phone, so we click next, and now in few moments our phone should be ready. Now you'll get short instructions about how to navigate your phone. You can see here we got swipe to navigate, we can click skip or also try it. But now our phone is all set and we are ready to start using our device. And to continue, we would need to swipe up like this. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.